breaking news that's coming in. Yogi has arrived at Prime Minister's residence to invite him for Mahakumbh. Viewers, earlier the Chief Minister also extended an invitation to Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, Delhi Lieutenant Governor Vinay Kumar Saxena for the Mahakumbh 2025 to be held in Prayagraj. We're soon getting the visuals on our screen. Also going to try and go across to my colleague Harsha, joining us from 7LKM, and Aishwarya, our political editor. Harsha is joining us right now. Harsha, give us more details as we get the news that Yogi Adityanath has arrived at Prime Minister's residence to invite him for the Mahakumbh.
Yes, you have rightly pointed out. So right now we are reporting from outside 7LKM as Mahakumbh 2025 is very auspicious and at the grandest celebration is taking place in Prayagraj. All the preparations have already been done. We saw Yogi Adityanath visiting Prayagraj himself, offering prayers. And right now outside 7LKM, Yogi Adityanath has already arrived here at Prime Minister's residence to extend the invitation himself personally to Prime Minister to invite him for Mahakumbh 2025. Already Yogi Adityanath has also extended the invitation, invited Home Minister, President, Vice President also for the Mahakumbh 2025. And how grand this Mahakumbh 2025 is, that could be understood with the kind of preparation which has already been done in Prayagraj. And this time how almost 40 ministers have been given the duties to go to each and every state and UT and meet Chief Minister and also Deputy CMs and the Governor to meet all of them and personally invite for the Mahakumbh. This time the special attraction is also going to be the northeast states. A special section has also been placed in Mahakumbh for the northeastern states, depicting their cultural diversity and how important and relevant the northeastern states also are. And that's the kind of the grandiosity of the Mahakumbh 2025. Not to forget, this is the Mahakumbh which is coming after 12 years, and that is the reason why this is very auspicious for UPCM Yogi Adityanath as well. Earlier, the last Mahakumbh was in 2013 during the regime of Akhilesh Yadav, but this after 12 years, the Mahakumbh, the preparations and the way the invites are being extended, this itself tells that how this Mahakumbh is being portrayed in its grandest way. I'll again ask my camera person to showcase the visuals from 7LKM, as already it's been 10 minutes. Yogi Adityanath arrived here at the residence of Prime Minister to invite him personally for Mahakumbh 2025. Not to forget that last time on December 13th, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Prayagraj. He also laid foundation stone of several schemes and inaugurated several projects in Prayagraj. And after that, when Mahakumbh will start, this will be Prime Minister's again visit to Prayagraj, because this invitation is being sent out personally by UPCM Yogi Adityanath to Prime Minister. So this is the grandiosity of the Mahakumbh 2025, what we are talking about. Back to you.
All right, Harsha, we'll keep coming back to you for the latest on that story. Thank you for giving us those details as we see pictures of Yogi Adityanath, who's already arrived at Prime Minister's residence to invite him for the Mahakumbh. Viewers, our top story today, L&T Chairman S.N. Subramanian has sparked a